Hello friends, this is Vijay Bhambwani and I hope you're trading well in the markets and the markets are treating you well also. Now in this video, I'm about to share with you a very important trading hack as a trader, a day trader or even a swing trader, which I'm sure you'll find absolutely gratifying, absolutely profitable and also very dependable. Now, we traders are actually brain warriors. I keep telling people I meet that we traders are actually brain warriors because it's not the fastest computer, it's not the fastest internet connection or the fastest refresh rate of the broker's terminal that decides who makes money and who loses. But it's our ideas, it's our brains. So we win and we lose with our ideas, and the brain is our most potent weapon, which is why behavioral technical analysis trumps plain vanilla technical analysis any day. Now, behavioral finance and behavioral trading techniques, therefore, demand that you understand what price points are more important than the others. As technical analysts, as traders, we believe that the price is God. Bhav Bhagwan hai. We live by the price, we die by the price. We make money by the price and we lose money by the price. But are all price points the same? The answer is no. I'll tell you why. Now, in the morning, day traders are fresh from the previous trading sessions, profits or losses. Whatever is done. They put it behind them and they are beginning a new trading session by itself. So there's full pent up energy inside a trader, and he's basically taking a deep dive into the trading session, not sure of what he's going to have at the end of the trading day. By mid-session, he has somewhat of an inkling as to what the price and the day is doing to him. But remember, I'm talking of day trading here, but at the last hour, he has no choice but feel like the sands of time are basically flowing away and he doesn't have too much by way of a leeway, because a day trader will close his trades, or as it's known, going flat out. Just like the ECG of a dead person shows a flat line, a day trader flattens all his trades and leaves nothing as an overnighter or a carry forward trade. So in the last 60 minutes, you have to go flat out. Obviously, traders will not take too much of fresh intraday positions in the last 60 to 45 minutes. They're more focused about squaring up what they already have. Which is why, even if you know a little bit of technical analysis, you will realize that the closing price of any period is invariably the most important price point of that period. Because professional traders who go flat out, would have closed their positions at a profit or a loss, and if they're profitable at that closing point, chances are they're going to come back and try their hand using the same directional trade in the next candle, the next bar, or the next session, whatever is the time period of that particular candle or a bar. All right. So we've established the fact that the closing price of that particular candle determines the opening price of the next candle, irrespective of all time frames. Now, if you haven't already done so, I would seriously request you to join Equity Master's Telegram channel, which goes by the handle Equity Master Official. Why? Because I put up 2 updates at the end of the day, every day, Monday to Friday, which basically gives you statistical data in very easy to understand terms, which helps you determine what you can expect the next day. And those of you who've been going through this Telegram channel invariably ask me, sir, there are some days when you are writing, when you're posting in the Telegram channel, watch the last 60 to 75 minutes of trade tomorrow very carefully. Why are you writing that? Now here in this video, not only am I sharing a trading hack with you, but I'm also answering that question as to why I say or I post watch the last 60 to 75 minutes of that trade. Now, if you put 2 and 2 together by now, you will realize that I invariably put this on Thursday night. And I'm telling you to watch the last 1 hour of a Friday session. Why am I doing that? Because in addition to intraday traders, there are also swing traders. Now, swing traders would typically, ideally speaking, would want to trade between Monday to Friday and not take the chance of rolling over their trade to the next week, because we don't know as to what will happen on Saturday and Sunday when the global markets are shut. If there is any adverse political or geopolitical situation which arises, we might be hit with bad news which we cannot cope up with, which is why traders like to square up on Friday. Now here, consider Friday, Monday to Friday as a weekly bar. As I told you, the closing price of any candle or any bar is invariably the most important price for that period. Which is why on Thursday night, I tell you that watch Friday's last hour or maybe 1.25 hours very, very keenly. And many a times you will realize that magic happens in the second half of Friday. The trading session might begin dull, bearish, downwards, lethargic or whatever, but after lunch, zoom, it goes up. What really happened? What does it tell you and how you can use it to profit? You see, like I told you a couple of minutes earlier, people do not ideally want to take their positions over to the next week, risking a 2-day window, which is Saturday and Sunday, during which any amount of variables or negative news can hit them. But if on Friday they are buying and pulling the markets higher, it means the conviction level is extremely high that the market is going up. And if they are pouring in so much money, which is what is causing the price to go up, do remember that I, as a behavioral trader, would play more emphasis on what I see on my terminal screen, because it takes millions of rupees to change that number from up to down and down to up. I would rather not depend on talk. I would rather not depend on WhatsApp messages or social media where rumor mongering and even falsehoods get spread. But the trading terminal cannot lie. So in the last 1 hour on Friday, if the market is going up, it is because of fresh buying or maybe even short covering. If you understand the difference, you'll know what I mean. In my earlier videos, I have shown you a snapquote window, the best 5 buyers and best 5 sellers. That snapquote window is your trader's cockpit. There are more than 12 hidden signals in that snapquote window, and if you know how to read your computer trading screen, which is an art by itself, you can differentiate between short covering and fresh buying. So on Friday, in the last 1 hour, if the market is getting pulled up, and if it is because of fresh buying rather than short covering, I would bet that the market is going to open with a spring in its step on Monday morning and attempt to go higher. All other factors remaining constant, no bad news coming on Saturday and Sunday, that is. Which is why, my friends, on Thursday night, you read this curious additional one line, watch the last 60 minutes of trade from my posts. If you were to watch this system for a couple of weeks before you implement it, I am very sure that your trading will take on a new meaning altogether. You can always give me a shout here. I'm always available and open to your comments and suggestions. Good, bad or ugly, keep your feedback coming in the comment section. Before I bid goodbye to you, I'd like to remind you to click like on this video if you liked what you saw. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. Click on the bell icon to receive instant alerts about fresh videos being put up out here, and help me reach out to fellow like-minded investors by referring my video to your family and friends. I wish you have a very, very profitable day. Thank you for your patience and watching my videos. Till we meet again in my next. This is Vijay Bhambwani signing off for now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Want to make potentially life-changing wealth by investing in path-breaking companies in their earlier growth phase? Then click here right now.